I'm Kasim.
And I am Solomon.
Today is Wednesday, March 29, 2017. Today is Cycle Day 6.
The Factory VSS student basketball game will take place this Friday, March 31st, during period 8 and 9. To come to the game, be on your best behavior. Come on, students. Let's be the teacher this year.
Also, on Friday, we will have a school dress down day. Students can pay $2 to dress down.
Attention students, the next school dance will take place on Friday, April 7th. The money that you pay for your ticket goes to the students that are traveling to Japan.
And now we have a clip from wxln's Kids in the Hall with Heaven.
Today,
for all our teachers who are lovely and smart, please buy a drink from our energy cart. $1, $2 for your own cup is guaranteed to wake you up. Coffee, tea, hot chocolate will be there every Friday during care. Coffee cart, cough, coffee cart, coffee cart, cough, coffee cart.
I'm Janae from wxln's Kids in the Hall, here with Miss McCoubrey's students who have started a great business. So what is it that you guys do?
We sell coffee to teachers for $1 and tea and hot chocolate.
Okay, and what is the money going towards?
Field trips and supplies and stuff like that.
Okay, last question. Do you think that students will ever be able to get some?
Probably.
Nah, because the teachers say no. So we can't. We would like to sell it to them, but no.
Okay, well, thank you for your time, and back to you in the studio.
Today for lunch, we are having chicken and cheese sandwich salad with rich applesauce and chocolate milk. Enjoy.
Thank you for listening to morning announcements. Today is Cycle Day 6. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Have a great day.